Sangiorgio Resort, Spa. 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at Sangiorgio Resort and Spa. Sangiorgio Resort is set in a restored convent surrounded by olive groves, 9.3 miles outside of Gallipoli. It offers free parking, and an outdoor hot tub with free parasols and sun loungers. All rooms at the Sangiorgio Resort and Spa are spacious and air-conditioned, and come with satellite TV and free internet. Breakfast is served in the rooms every morning. The resort was great. I wished she had asked for an upgrade as there were much better bedrooms than ours, but all in all it was good. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.